Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to remove password from Microsoft Excel sheet protected without any stress. Like for instance, you want to work on a Microsoft Excel sheet and this is always pumped up. This has been fully locked with password. How can you remove the password in order to work on the Microsoft Excel sheet? Let me show you how. So whatever you click is giving you this, and whatever you click is giving you this. So how can you remove a password without any stress? First thing first, make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on review. Under the review, go ahead and navigate to. Then under the review, go ahead and navigate to unprotect sheet. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you enter the lock password and hit enter. And then just like so, and the sheet is going to be unlocked. Then you can work with any shelf, any row, any color as the case may be. And at the same time, you can save this file in another shell format, in another Microsoft Excel format. So for that, go ahead and click on file, then go ahead and click on save as, then browse your file destination. Then you can save this file in anywhere on your PC. So I'm going to save this desktop. So I'm going to name this more password. Just like so. Then go ahead and make sure you save. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.